Does your makeup also separates from your nose area and creases from your laugh lines? Hi, I am Priyanka Sharma and I am a professional makeup artist. In today's video, I will tell you why this happens and how you can fix it. So the first reason why your makeup separates or creases on your face is because of the texture on your skin. The dead skin line on your surface area of a skin won't let your moisturizer to get deep into the skin, which in turn will lead into separation and creasing of your foundation. So in order to stop that, I would recommend you to exfoliate your skin at least once in a week. I use this Dr. Sheth's medium strength peel to exfoliate my skin once in a week, followed by moisturizer and a sunscreen. This will help you get rid of all the dead skin from your surface area, and it will make your skin smooth and better absorption of your skincare products. Also, I do not recommend using harsh scrubs for your skin because that would damage your skin barrier. The second reason would be lack of hydration. Makeup can separate and crease on both oily and dry skin if it's dehydrated. In dehydrated dry skin, makeup clump into the dry patches, which is mainly around the lips, around the nose and under the eyes, which will make foundation look like it's peeling. Similarly, in dehydrated oily skin, makeup would start separating from the nose area because this is where most of the oil production happens. So if you have oily skin, you have to bring it down here, and if you have dry skin, then you have to bring it here, creating a balance by using the white moisturizer for your skin type. For dehydrated dry skin, I would recommend using hyaluronic acid along with the moisturizer because hyaluronic acid will hold the moisture on your skin. For dehydrated oily skin, I would recommend using oil-free moisturizers which are usually water-based, and you can also include niacinamide in your skincare routine because that will help you regulate the sebum production in your skin. And if you have combination skin which is prone to acne and sensitive, then I would recommend you use this moisturizer from the Face Shop. This moisturizer has 10% calendula extract in it, which will give your skin a very dewy and moist effect. Along with that, it also have hyaluronic acid in it, which I told you earlier is the best ingredients to hold the moisture on your skin. And this moisturizer also helps you regulate the oil production on your skin, which makes it suitable for all skin types. If you have dry patches around your lips, nose and under the eyes, then take little more moisturizer and take a little more time to moisturize your skin really well around those areas. Moving on to the third point, you are not choosing the right product for your skin. Choosing the right product is crucial, but along with that, you have to also choose products that will sit well together. For example, if you have oily skin, then your makeup would start separating from your T-zone area. So in order to stop that, you will have to use mattifying primers. Mattifying primers have dimethicone and silicone in it, which mattifies the skin, blurs the pore, and it also reduces the oil production. So if you are using mattifying primers, then you also have to use foundations that has the same ingredients like dimethicone or silica in it. The two primer recommendations which I have for you is this one from Mars and this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which works really well for oily skin people. Along with that, you can use L'Oreal Infallible Foundation, which is a best suitable for oily skin. But I would suggest you to use the silicone based products in moderation because silicone in long run can clog your pores, which will lead to acne. If you're someone who wears makeup on a daily basis, then I would recommend you using silicone free primers. The one I would recommend is from Wet n Wild, which is Prime Focus Primer, and you can pair this with a silicone free foundation which is from K-Beauty. If you have dry skin, then your makeup would separate around your lips and nose. In that case, you will have to use primer which will help you lock in the hydration. The one I would recommend is using Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Primer, which has vitamin E in it, which will help you lock in the moisture. The last point I want to discuss is less is more. The less product you apply, the less likely it will separate. Once you are done applying your moisturizer and your primer, allow it some time, give it some time to settle in, and then build up your foundation. For the laugh lines, once you are done with your foundation and concealer, take a Q-tip and dip it in a makeup remover and remove the foundation from there, and then blend it with your beauty blender. This will make sure that there is very less product on your laugh line and it will be less likely to crease. Lastly, lock in everything with a oil control powder, which helps control the oil which will come out of the liquid products that we have used. So these are the things which you need to take care before applying your foundation. In the next video, I will show you the best available product recommendations according to your skin type. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that it will help me grow. See you in the next one. Bye.